Finding eco-friendly solutions for everyday items is crucial in a world where sustainability is more important than ever. Old pill bottles, often overlooked, are a prime example of common household waste that can be given a new lease on life. This video by TriHaz Solutions explores the countless ways these small containers can be repurposed, recycled, or donated, transforming them from trash to treasure. By considering the environment and community needs, we can turn a simple act of disposal into a meaningful contribution to sustainability and aid. Getting rid of empty pill bottles responsibly involves more than just tossing them in the trash. You have options to donate, recycle, or repurpose them creatively. Donating to charitable organizations can help those in need, while recycling programs accept certain types of plastic. Repurposing for personal or home use can give these bottles a second life. Choose the method that aligns with your values and capabilities, ensuring a positive impact on the environment and community. Donating your empty pill bottles is a simple yet impactful way to support global health initiatives. Many charitable organizations repurpose these bottles to provide safe and sanitary storage for medications in underserved communities. An example of a program that accepts donations of empty pill bottles is the one run by Matthew 25 Ministries. Clean pill bottles are used for inclusion in shipment of medical supplies, and the organization is caring for our environment while helping improve medical conditions in developing countries. By cleaning and removing labels from your bottles, you can help make a difference in someone's life and contribute to reducing waste and promoting sustainability. Charitable organizations like the example above play a crucial role in reutilizing donated pill bottles to aid global health efforts. By sending these containers to areas with limited medical supplies, they ensure that individuals in need have access to secure and sanitary medication storage. Engaging with these charities not only helps those in less fortunate situations, but also contributes to a larger movement towards environmental sustainability and waste reduction. Your donation becomes part of a compassionate effort to improve healthcare accessibility worldwide. Local shelters and clinics often seek donations of empty pill bottles to organize and distribute medications within their communities. These donations can significantly enhance the operational efficiency of such organizations, providing a cost-effective solution for storing and handling medications safely. Contributing your old pill bottles to these local entities not only supports public health initiatives close to home, but also promotes a culture of recycling and reuse. Recycling options for empty pill bottles present an eco-friendly way to dispose of them. Local recycling programs often accept these types of plastics, but it's important to check the guidelines of your area's waste management services. Also, there are online resources such as the database maintained by Earth 911 that can help find recycling locations in your area. Recycling pill bottles not only reduces landfill waste, but also contributes to the circular economy, making it a valuable step in environmental sustainability. Understanding the recycling codes on pill bottles is crucial for proper disposal. These codes, typically found on the bottom of the bottle, indicate the type of plastic used, guiding you on whether and how the bottle can be recycled in your local program. Most bottles are translucent orange and made of polypropylene, marked by number 5. Familiarizing yourself with these symbols helps ensure that your recycling efforts are effective. Local recycling programs offer a community-specific avenue for disposing of empty pill bottles. Participation in these programs contributes to reducing environmental impact and supports local waste management efforts. It's important to check with your municipality's recycling guidelines to ensure compliance, as acceptance criteria can vary. Creative repurposing of empty pill bottles can unleash their potential far beyond their original use. From organizing small household items like buttons and beads to creating compact travel kits for toiletries, the possibilities are vast. These bottles can also serve as miniature first aid kits for on-the-go emergencies or as seed storage containers for gardening enthusiasts. By thinking outside the box, you can transform these seemingly mundane objects into useful everyday tools. Repurposing empty pill bottles within the home offers a creative and practical way to organize and declutter. These bottles can serve as perfect containers for small household items such as spices, screws, or beads, turning them into handy storage solutions. This approach not only recycles the bottles effectively, but also keeps your space tidy and organized, making the most out of items that would otherwise be discarded. In the workshop, empty pill bottles find a new purpose as efficient organizers for small hardware like nails, screws, and washers. Their compact size and durability make them ideal for keeping these tiny items sorted and accessible, enhancing productivity and workspace cleanliness. This repurposing strategy not only aids in recycling efforts, but also contributes to a more organized and efficient area. For personal use, empty pill bottles can be transformed into portable and convenient containers for travel-sized toiletries, small first aid kits, or as safekeepers for jewelry when traveling. This creative reuse not only minimizes waste, but also offers a practical solution for managing small items on the go, ensuring they are easily accessible and securely stored. To manage old pill bottles effectively, explore donation, recycling, or creative repurposing. Charitable organizations accept them for medical use in underprivileged areas. Recycling centers can process them according to local guidelines, and innovative ideas can transform them into useful items for home, workshop, or personal use. Each approach contributes to sustainability and community support. If you're looking for a medical waste disposal company for your business, reach out to TriHaz Solutions.